Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In this lesson, you will be learn how to pronounce professions into German. So, are you ready? Here we go. Remember, you have to should listen and repeat after me. So, you should pronounce your professions into German like this. Die Berufe. Once again, die Berufe. If it is one profession means singular, so you can say their Beruf. Once again, their Beruf. Here is the first word. Teacher. Their Lehrer. For masculine you use their. And for feminine you use die. Die Lehrerin. Die Lehrerin. Doctor. Der Arzt. Die Ärztin. Der Arzt, die Ärztin. Pilot, der Pilot, die Piloten. Der Pilot, die Piloten. Architect, architect. In German you can say der Architekt, die Architektin. Der Architekt, die Architektin. Programmer, der Programmierer, die Programmiererin. Der Programmierer, die Programmiererin. Student, der Student, die Student. Der Student, die Student. Photographer, der Fotograf, die Fotografin. Der Fotograf, die Fotografin. Journalist, der Journalist, die Journalistin. Der Journalist, die Journalistin. Okay, now then the rest of the words and sentences we will be learn in the part 2. Okay, hope you like my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe the bell icon. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.